Okay, for checking your brakes, you always want to make sure you have pressure on both your front brake lever and your rear pedal. You should be able to squeeze them and feel pressure pretty instantly on both of them. If you hit your brake lever and it goes way down farther than you think it should, or if it hits your fairing, then that means it needs bled. You need your brake fluid replaced, and that's all there is to it. Can't get around it, just gotta get a brake fluid flush. If you pull in your front brake lever and you pull it and it hits your handle, then you need your brake fluid flushed. You have no brake pressure. If you can pull it and it's soft, but then pull it a couple more times and you get pressure, you need to bleed your brakes, replace your brake fluid. Just make sure you have pressure in them both. If you are unsure, just get it replaced. Or if you are unsure, you can sit on your bike and start them up, go down your driveway or something, just go slow. Just make sure when you pull them that it has enough power to stop you. You don't want to be going down the road 70 miles an hour and find out you don't have brake pressure. Also, check your brake pads. On sub bikes, it's hard to see the rear ones just because of where they sit. There's not really a good angle to look at them. You just kind of got to cram your head in there, or take your cell phone out, take a small video and a short video and just move it around where you think you should be able to see them, and then pull it out and watch the video. That's the easiest way to do it. To check your front brake pads, it's very easy. You just gotta look at the bike straight on, need a flashlight or something. You should be able to see your brake pads pretty easily. But always check them before you go for a ride. Just make sure you got plenty of brakes.